While the increase in the Fonterra payout is positive news for dairy farmers and for the New Zealand economy, just about all the market attention over the past 24 hours has been centred on the devastating earthquake in Christchurch. While doing my market research for what has happened in the global marketplace overnight, I've noticed that it has also got widespread attention from some of the largest media sources around the world. This includes Bloomberg and the Wall Street Journal, and has had an impact on the global marketplace. We've seen the New Zealand dollar drop around 1.5 to 2 cents against the US over the past 24 hours, and at one point we were trading at 74.5 cents against the US. We have since crept back up, trading just shy of 75, and this has been an impact from what has happened due to the earthquake, but also what has happened in the global marketplace overnight. New Zealand markets have been widely affected by the Christchurch earthquake and what impact this may have down the track. Over the past 24 hours, we have seen a shift in interest rates lower, as this will likely have an effect on the New Zealand economy down the track. We could see some minor shift in the GDP and economic growth during the first part of the 2011, and as such, there isn't going to be any need to increase interest rates for some time yet. We've seen a shift in the New Zealand interest rate market lower, and now we don't expect to see any increases in the official cash rate until at least the last part of 2011. Depending on the outcome of what impact the earthquake does have on the New Zealand economy, we could also see a potential decrease in the official cash rate, which would see interest rates lower. This is only a small chance at this stage, but in any event, we are going to see some impacts on the New Zealand economy and on interest rates down the track. Just about the only positive to come out of Tuesday was the increase in the Fonterra payout to dairy farmers. The increase of the milk price up to $7.50 brings the total payout to an all-time high of between $7.90 and $8. The increase is a result of the strong commodity prices we have been seeing over the past 12 to 18 months, but specifically over the last few months we have seen increases on Fonterra's global dairy trade auction. Given that we are right through this season, it is unlikely that we're going to see sizable increases in the payout through the end of the 2011 season. If any, they will be minor increases. However, given the strong commodity prices we are seeing, this does bode well for the 2012 season, where we are forecasting good payouts for that season as well.